TestFlight lets the tester to share the feedback easily. In this video, I will show you how to manage the feedbacks on your app and improve the app performance betterly. So let's get started the video. The App Store connect.apple.com, and then you have to open the app that you want to see the feedback. Tab is crashes and screenshots. Then you have to go to the crashes section. So this section is used for like crashes, like if someone you have tested the app on iPhone 11 and then you are using the same app on the other device, like on the iPhone 11 it's working very fine, but on iPhone 12 Pro Max or other devices the app are going to be crashes. So you don't have any physical device. So when the person open the app, if they crashes, like they will see a pop-up and they will submit a crash report to the iOS developer account and to the Apple also. So this is used for that purpose. And the next one is screenshot, like if the user want to give a feedback on the app on a specific feature or something, they will capture a screenshot and they will deliver through the TestFlight using a screenshot with notes. So that's it. I will try to add some information below in the description about that tab too. So hopefully you understand. See you in the next video. Take care.